How to fix Messenger video call background not working. Let's get started. Launch your settings. Scroll down, head towards the option of General. Now open this option iPhone Storage. In this page, you will be able to find all the apps that are installed in your device. Go ahead and find the app Messenger. Once you find it, open it. Now click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. Now you can go and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards next solution, head back. Come to this general page, scroll all the way down, click on the option of shutdown. Now slide this icon to the right to turn off your phone. After you turn off your phone, wait for a few minutes and then turn it back and check whether your problem has been solved or not. By applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Messenger video call background not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.